Hello, today we are going to show you how to apply to the Access program from the Moorpark College website. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Students tab, and right below the Students tab, you are going to click on the link that reads Access. When you click on this link, you will be led to the home page of the Access Department website. On this home page, you will be able to view some information about our department, our hours of operation, our contact information and address, as well as our location on campus. On this right-hand side, there are multiple different tabs, one being the one that reads Applying to Access, and we will be clicking on that to view the application. On this page, it lists steps to follow in order to apply to the Access program. And the first step is to click on the link that reads Application for Access Services and Intake Screening Form. So once you click on that form, it will look like this. And on this form, you will be required to fill out all the sections that have a red asterisk or a red star by them, and to fill out all the sections that directly apply to you. So for example, you're going to fill out your name, your student ID or your 900 number, today's date or the date that you're applying, your phone number, your date of birth, and your student BCCCD email, as well as your emergency contact. The next few steps are to fill out these questions, to answer them either no, yes, and also select your educational goal. To finish out this first page of the form, you're going to click where it says student signature and click on the box that reads click here to sign. And you're going to type in your name. This will formulate a signature for you, and you will click on the button that reads apply. You don't have to worry about the date because it's already generated here. The next form in this process is the intake screening form, and you will fill out your name here at the top, your student ID or 900 number, and then fill out any questions that you can at the moment. If you don't happen to know the answers, don't worry about it. You just have to fill out the required sections. And if so, if you do know the question or the answers to the questions, you can do that as well. But once you're finished with this application and intake screening form, you're going to click on the blue button that reads click to sign at the bottom. And you're going to fill in your student my.bccd email. And you're going to click on the button that reads click to sign. It's going to process the document and it's going to be automatically sent to our office. So we will receive your application. So I am back on the page that lists the steps to apply to Access. On this page, it lists step 2. Step 2 is to submit copies of your verification of disability. Students with an IEP or 504 plan must submit all pages of your most current copy of your IEP or the first page of your 504 plan documentation and a copy of the most recent psychoeducational testing report. That can be a speech and language report or medical or other health reports. If you, however, have been diagnosed with ADHD, have a medical, physical, or psychological disability, you will need to have a verification of disability form completed by either your doctor or psychologist. In order to print out the form, we have a link here that reads verification of disability. If you click on that link, it will lead you to the form, and what you'll need to do is print out the form, have your doctor or psychologist complete the form, sign the form, and stamp the form. All copies of verification of disability must be emailed to mcaccess@bccccd.edu. Step 3, once you complete steps 1 and 2 of applying to Access and submitting your verification of disability, we will call you to set up an intake appointment with one of our specialists. If you are a current high school student or a recent graduate, we do ask that you submit an unofficial transcript as well. If you have any questions at any time regarding this process, please call us at 805-378-1461, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. Our number is linked on this page. If you would like or prefer to have an alternate format of the application for access, as well as for the verification of disability form, please let us know and contact us at 805-378-1461, and we can get that to you. Thank you very much for your interest in the Access Department. Welcome to Moore Park College, and also welcome to the Access Department. We're happy to have you here, and we hope to assist you sometime soon. Have a great day. Thank you.